Alright, so what I tried to do was make switches here to swap these meters from volts to amps, but neither one of these is measuring voltage. When I run these switches where I thought the voltage check would be, so they both are reading amps right now, but as I add load, I get up to 26 milliamps, 25-ish on average, without any issue from the ET1. And when I open the box here and measure inside, I have 4.8 volts on the generator that's hooked up right now. So I will have to double check the wiring for these switches on the meters and then figure out how to get that to work the way I want it to. But the generator being down to 5 volts seems to be an easy move for the ET1 here. So I will be able to add much bigger loads and really try some better power tests on it. Currently, I've got a 200 ohm load on there, so we'll calculate two different ways of power for that, but right now I'm just glad that the ET1 seems to be running pretty good with this, and I think I'm gonna move it and test each of the other two motors that are in this box as generators. So